Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Today's video is, how can I put it? I got finessed. Let's talk about it in a minute. So, welcome back everyone. So those who are new to the channel, welcome. Please hit the like button when you've enjoyed the content of this, and definitely hit the subscribe button because you'll want to come back and see some more videos, and notification bell will let you know when that happens. Everyone else, again, please like, subscribe and hit notification bell. But like I was saying in the intro, I got finessed on some Jordan 4 University Blues and Cold Greys. I did a video on them, and it was when I was doing the B-rolls on their videos, I thought, these don't look right. These just don't look right. Luckily, the person I got them from took them all back. So I wasn't out of pocket. The people I was selling them to weren't out of pocket, and they understood. And it's just crazy how these replicas look so good unless you really take a deep look at these. But what I'm going to do, I'm just going to play the video. I'm not going to put any B-rolls onto this video. This is just my video of what I thought of these trainers when I had them in hand. And I'm not saying I'm a sneakerhead connoisseur and I should see these things and, you know, it's my fault and whatever. This is just showing you that you got to watch out because these reps are so good. Don't get me wrong, if you had these on your feet, you would not know. I'm telling you now, even sneakerheads, we're looking at them, they would not know. These are the two Jordan 4 reps, which I did a video on. Yo, 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 welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Today I'm excited because I'm going to be reviewing what I believe is probably one of the best, if not the best, Jordan release this year. This is the Jordan 4 University Blues. And so it's the white lid with cement bottom with speckles. Let's pull this out. You've got the speckled grey paper inside, and I'm just going to cut like that. Love that. So this is it, man. This is it. The Jordan 4 University Blues. Now, let's just do what I normally do. And let's start with the bottom of the shoe. Typical Jordan 4 sole. You've got the blue inlet there. The grey toe there. With the black midsole. White in the middle of the foot with the blue Jordan Jumpman there. And the grey on the heel. The black sole carries on up to the midsole as a typical Jordan 4, and also onto the toe part as well, as you can see. The second part of the midsole is the cement grey with the speckles. That carries on just around near your little toe and around the whole of the shoe to the heel and on the inside as well. The lower part of the midsole is white, which has an air bubble in it, and again that carries around the heel to mid part to the inside of the shoe too. Now, the upper of this shoe is completely suede. It changes colour when you put your hands in it. I don't know if you can see that. The overlays are all suede. The only plastic on the hair is typical Jordan 4 plastic, which is there and on the inside and on a part of the tongue as well. And then even the tongue, when that stops, is suede as well. The tongue has the grey Jumpman with flight underneath, and you've got this label here. The back of the tongue is black, and you've got the Nike Air at the top there. The inside, you've got a Jumpman in blue. Don't know if you can see that with it's got blue speckles in it as well. Actually, I think maybe I don't know. Maybe just don't know. And the inside lining is blue as well, baby blue, which is a nice touch. The anchors, the wings, nice quality plastic, black holes on top there and there as you can see, and the same again on the inside. Today I'm going to be looking at Jordan 4 Cool Greys because they're just a cool kick, man. So normal flight box, red flight, cement grey bottom and stuff. Box a bit beaten up, so I'm not going to go into it. Got black paper and the kicks. Typical Jordan 4 sole, but this time the patch or the island is yellow with a white toe, black mid, white mid, yellow Jumpman and black heel just go along. So black, white and yellow. The sole travels up to the midsole as before. You've got the arc there, and it travels around the toe. You've got the white kick, toe kick, and black on top. The midsole itself is completely white with a yellow air bubble, which is, it's a wicked touch with the grey, I must admit. And that carries on all the way around the shoe. The uppers on these and the overlays are all a nubuck. The mesh is grey with a grey underneath. The mesh on the toe again is grey underneath. The nubuck on the toe box is nice. The wings, it's a nubuck. It's not plastic, it's a nubuck leather with a plastic on grey on top there and the grey top there. The laces are grey. The Jumpman is white on a grey background with the yellow writing, and then the inside Jordan sticker there, which is Air Jordan on the tongue. Inner lining is grey, nice comfortable sponge, and the insole is grey with a white Jumpman, as you can see there. You've got a silver Jumpman on the heel, and it's a leather again. It's a nubuck leather, isn't it, on the heel pull, which it's got the same grips again. So there you have it. Like I said to you, at first sight, they looked great. Like I said to you, when I was doing a B-roll on the boxes and then the little labels, something just didn't seem right. And after a while, just looking a bit more into detail, I realised that they were replicas, and there's no way I was passing these on to friends who had asked if I could get them some. So it's just a warning to people out there. If you want to buy replicas, people should tell you that replicas. I've got no qualms with people buying replicas. But if you're selling them as genuine, that's when it's an issue. And I think it's out of order. You know what I mean? So there you go. This can happen to anyone. I just thought I'd put the video out there. I'm not shouting out who bought them for me, who didn't, because I think they might have been duped themselves. So it's nothing like that. It's not a hate video or anything like that. I'm just saying, if you're out there selling reps, make sure you tell people they're reps. The originals. Don't Chris them over, because innocent people get hurt, man. I'm gone. Peace.